Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to run CSAP program in Visual Studio 2026. So first here in Google search box write the Visual Studio 2026, then go on this visualstudio.microsoft.com site. So let's click this. Here you can get three types of Visual Studio 2026: Community, Professional and Enterprise. So this is for individual small, here small, and this is for large organization. So let's click on this download for enterprise. So this is now VS Enterprise that's downloaded. So let's click this and now thereafter here you can get VS. Double click on this VS Enterprise. Microsoft Corporation, let's click on yes button and here you can see Visual Studio installer that's come there. Click on this continue. So this is now getting Visual Studio installer ready. 34 MB is the size. Verifying install download and currently this is installing. So installing now this done here. Here you can see the new page that's open there. So there you can install this. So for C# here you need to select this option. So by selecting this option you can get C# and F#.NET Framework and this all feature is there. And here this for build Android, iOS, Windows using C#. So this is for uh, mobile app using C#. And here, if I scroll down, so this you can see this all you can get there. Data Science 2D, Microsoft, and here WinUI application development. So you can also select here C#. So this is for WinUI. To run the C# program inside the Visual Studio 2026, you need to select this option. Thereafter, here, let's click on this install button. So here, Visual Studio 20 Enterprise 2026. This here is starting. So this is starting here. The size of download file 1.89 GB, and this will also installing. So it will take some time, so that I'm going to pause the video. Studio Enterprise 2026, that's download and install successfully. Thereafter, let's click on this launch button. Option sign in to Microsoft, GitHub, create account. So let's click on this escape, and here you have you can select anyone, general, that's fine, or here let's select Visual C#. So dark or light. So let's select here light. Thereafter click on this start Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2026. Here you have the option to create the project or open. So let's click on this create project. So currently this is fetching the recent project there. So console application here, all language that selected. Let's select here C#. Now as scroll down. So console application.NET framework. Let's click on select and click on this next, and now click on this create. So this is the project name, location, solution name, and the framework. So this is now creating the project. .NET Framework 4.7.2 is there. So now this is creating the project there, here. So thereafter, let's go inside the main method and let's write there console class dot writeLine method Right there, hello world. Hello world. And now Control S to save. And simply you need to click on this as start. So this here as starting build is started. Configure debug any. And now you can see this is currently running. And this here hello world that's displaying. Press enter to close the window. And this is how we can run CISA program inside this Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.